Yo, what's up guys? Happy Sentence here with another car video. Today, we're installing some springs and a skid plate on Boots' new Audi A3. He just picked this up, what, a couple months ago?
In January.
Word. Starting to do some mods to it. He's been on the channel before, but we haven't really done anything with this car. But, I guess because he just picked it up. Boots has been on the channel before, but he never had this car. He had an Acura Integra that he used to cruise around in, but we're about to install some H&R springs on his A3 and this aluminum skid plate. How much does this drop it again, Boots?
2 inches.
Hell yeah. 2-inch drop. Alright, I think we're gonna throw the skid plate on first.
Alright, so the aluminum skid plate is a really good buy because these Audis got plastic oil pans nowadays and really easy to crack. So
yeah, especially if you bottom out on going out of a driveway or something, don't want to crush your oil pan. This way?
Yeah, on top.
That goes over top of it?
Yeah.
Do they all go over top? No.
There we go. I need you to
Alright, so we got all the back ones secured in there. Most of the ones on the passenger side. Now we just gotta do the driver's side and then the ones up the front. Actually, I think the one at the front's already done. Yeah. Alright, so to remove it, obviously it's just like the opposite of installing it. So there's 3 along the back here. And then 3. Oh, never mind, there's 4 along the passenger side right there. 1 on the front right there. And then 3 over on my side that you can't really see. So there's just the 1 here. 1 here, and then 1 here. That ECS skid plate though.
Alright guys, so the microphone on the camera died, but basically what we were talking about in this clip is that me and Boots were working on his Audi for a couple hours, and this was both of our first time working on a German whip, and we quickly learned how different it is than a Japanese car to work on. Everything had weird triple square / torque bits on them. You would kind of need to put the triple square in on one side and then get the wrench around it and then undo the nut. It's kind of weird. Oh yeah, and for some reason you need to loosen the bolts on your axle. That's different. You definitely don't need to do that on Japanese cars to get your springs off your struts. So yeah, we really didn't want to deal with that. That would have taken a bunch of time because you need to turn it a little quarter turn, reset, little corner turn, reset, little quarter turn, reset, little quarter turn, and then turn the axle to the next bolt and repeat for all 5 bolts. Sometimes things don't go your way when you're working on cars, as many of you probably know, and sometimes you just gotta leave it to the professionals. So Boots is gonna take his Audi to the shop in the next couple weeks to get these springs installed. Like I said, it was really just going to be a huge pain in the butt, and it's not my car, it was Boots' decision, and he said screw it, let's just take it to the shop. So yeah, that's what he did. We even had the spring compressors and everything, man. We were ready. Sorry you didn't get to see us install the springs, but I'm sure you can find that somewhere else on YouTube if you really need to know how to do it. But yeah, anyways, enjoy this montage of the before and after of Boots' car. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
Ooh, all of the bitches exotic, cars robotic, we go retarded. Hop in the foreign, don't need the top. When I get home, I need the top. Louis Vuitton when I leave the house. She got an ass and I grease her mouth. She wanna twerk when I leave the house. Gucci the belt and don't leave it out. Yeah, I got standards. Diamond near Flanders. Ooh, Kool-Aid jammer. Cookie pack on camera. Yeah, I got standards. Diamond near Flanders. Ooh, yeah, Kool-Aid jammer. Cookie pack on camera. Yeah.
Standards, suck on my nuts like planners. Ooh, yeah, my bitch a dancer. Hop on the dick like a prancer. Ooh, polluted Fanta. Flick with a Polaroid camera. Ooh, yeah, you talk outlandish. Put him in a Holyfield like a vandal. Ooh, yeah, got a new mansion. New Ralph Lauren, cop 2 ranches. Diamonds is dancing. Ice so cold, gotta walk with a panda. Yo, bitch so scandalous.